just stay driven. Well, so we meet again, 350Z. You have not been good to me, but hopefully we can change things around. Man, oh man, it's been a while since we had this car out, but we need to start making progress with this car. Quick update for you guys. Window motor works, but the only problem is that it's not placed correctly. So we're going to be working on the 350Z today. I'm going to do some minor stuff. I already went ahead and put the new window motor for the car, but I can't seem to get it to line up along the tracks. So we're going to be taking this car to our boy Aaron's house. We're going to do some small work on the Z. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm Lance. I'm from Hawaii. I make some automotive content, film some shenanigans in between. But make sure you guys subscribe because I got a lot more videos for you guys. And I drop videos every week on Tuesday. And if I have the chance, I will drop an extra vlog, which I'm planning on trying to do 2 vlogs a week. So we'll always have one on Tuesday, and then whatever day I can make another video, I'll do another video. So again, make sure you guys subscribe. Also ring the bell for post notifications, because that'll tell you when I post videos, but you already know Tuesdays for sure, and then the extra bonus ones you're gonna have to be notified, so ring the bell. Now for those of you guys that asked me about the Z and see me in public, does it still run? Yes, it does. I'm driving it right now. Is it in the best condition? Not even close. And we're back at the Hellfire garage. We'll get to this car later, but we already went ahead and got it started. Now, I went ahead already prior to today's video. I already reinstalled the new window motor, but I did have some problems because the glass was stuck all the way at the bottom. And then, I don't know why Nissan did this, but all of the rails are attached to the skin of the door, which makes it hard to do as one person, because the problem I had was I didn't have it line up to where it's supposed to be, which is over here in this corner especially. And being the fact that it is glass, I really didn't want to, I just didn't want to break the glass. So
what does this do?
What is that?
Some.
What in the world is that? You see it inside?
Yeah.
I see it inside.
I'm trying to figure out how to even stick my hand in there without.
Well, after painstakingly, I don't understand why Nissan did it this way. But, moment of truth. Oh! It went down. Okay, why isn't it going up? Oh, there. Oh, I see, yeah. So we gotta do that reset thing now.
Okay.
Is it? Yeah, it says if it goes all the way up, and then halfway, you gotta reset the mark. Yeah. So why didn't it go up from the first one though?
I'm just thinking that shit just like bang, like shoots straight up.
I know, right? So for those of you guys that are watching, there's this little black button right over here where the window motor mounts up. Now we're gonna have to reset the motor, and it kind of is a little tedious. This is how tedious it is to work with a Mustang. Did I say Mustang? Yeah. 350Z. See, I'm already thinking about moving on to Aaron's car.
Let's go.
But, okay. Button in. Lightly press it till it goes all the way down. The bottom. Okay. Release the rubber black button. So I just press it again.
Are we dead honest? Were you supposed to hold it that entire time?
See, that's the other thing I was thinking about too. But it would say press it at the same time.
Press and hold or something?
Okay, that's top.
Try to hit it all the way down.
And then all the way up.
Ah, shit. I think you do have to do it at the same time.
Release the black rubber button. Pull the window switch.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
So all the way down. Yeah, question mark. Hey!
There you go.
I can't open the door now. Oh, okay. Lesson learned. Press the black button and then put the window down, and then release the black button after doing the little thingamajinkies, and then pull it up slowly, and then it should work. I hope I made sense saying that. So we had to finagle just a little bit with positioning of the glass, but we're literally, okay, let's open the door very, very slowly, because originally we had it kind of brazing up against the pillar, but we're like tight against it now. Let's go. And now for the final part, please work with the door, please. Going down. All right, last one, going up. Oh, we're good. Let's just show some progress on the Mustang build, the supercharged Mustang build, I should say. It's always good to showcase the homies' builds and their progress as well. But Aaron's doing a lot of body work on this car. He already primed the front bumper. He's already took care of all the dinghies here. He even had this repainted already, and taking care of all of this after. And then in the rear, got this corner done as well. And then when it's all said and done, we're gonna see it in one brand new color. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be a wrap or paint, but when we reveal it, it will be revealed, and it's gonna look so sick, guys. And just to showcase a little bit more of what we got here, we got the definitive license plate frame as well. And of course, your boy got that 3, 2, 1 bye. And before I forget, we are what is it? 1.5 months away, guys. So this guy gets married. But
to be honest, I've been trying to egg Jermaine to let me at least just ask the church if I can do some.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Just
Oh,
ask.
should we? Okay. Are we allowed to put this on the vlog?
That's fine.
Okay. So the plan of getting this car ready is primarily for his wedding, but the other thing too with the Mustang that I think is just completely dope, but at the same time I feel like you probably will get banned, is that he wants to do a burnout in the parking lot of the church. I don't know how
I'm sorry.
I don't know how you're gonna be able to do that, but just give a very good donation to the church. I bet you they'll let you do it. With cleaning. Prep and cleaning. Aaron's prepping something for I'm only gonna say this now. This is being prepped for that car. It'll all make sense later, but I don't know. This guy's a master at custom fabbing stuff, so update for this car coming soon. You know, guys, it's literally like the small things that matter to me. Like, I know this car is not in the best shape yet, but the fact that we finally have the window operating, like, I think I value that like way more than anything right now. Like, I know I've been putting it off for the longest of time, but finally it's working. So now, enough content with the 350Z for today's video. On to the GTR in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. Oh my god. So now we have a wide body GTR that rattles like crazy. We have a 350Z that just does not want to cooperate at all whatsoever. Wrap, it was atrocious to take off. What else did we have to deal with? The door cards was not even close to how they were supposed to be. What else? Oh yeah, engine was not the greatest either, so we're gonna have to do a motor swap. It did come with gold wheels, and the only good thing is that now we have proper wheels to put on, but being that it's on drop springs, the fitment ain't all that right, but eventually we're gonna have to most likely do air suspension. While we're waiting at the light, I just wanted to show some stuff we're dropping off to somebody that ordered. But somebody ordered a new definitive hoodie. as well as a red, a white, and a black t-shirt as well, and also a windbreaker. Probably one of my bigger orders yet, and I'm super thankful for if you're watching this video and you know that it's your stash that I'm dropping off to you. Thank you very much, and like shout out to all of you guys that's ordered to like just help support the channel, help support the brand. It really means a lot. And if you guys haven't done so either, make sure you guys follow Definitive on Instagram as well. I'm slowly trying to just figure out like a good, like efficient way of running the brand with the YouTube and still going to work. And a lot of you guys ask me like, how do I even manage to do all of it? Half the time I'm just trying to do whatever I can, as much as I can, and just, you know, try to find out ways to work more efficient as well. But you know, how do I do it? I don't know. That's why the motto is just stay driven. All right guys, I just got back home from work. I wanted to share a funny story that happened last night. But last night I actually got pulled over for at like a DUI checkpoint where they were just doing sobriety tests. So long story short, they pulled me over. They told me, you know, drive down, and there's like 5-6 cars on the side of the road as well. So, you know, they're doing their exercise of DUI checkpoint or whatever they got to do. And then the lady officer comes up to me, rolls on the window. Oh, I'm so and so. She's like, can I see your license, registration, and insurance? I'm like, okay, shoots. And then there's like this uncle, like I want to say, I think he was probably like the more higher rank officer that was watching all of like the rookie officers do like the whole DUI shebang. So the uncle, from where I saw him, he was probably like 20 feet down away from me. I see him walking up, and he comes up to my window and he's like, hey, it's on GTR, yeah? I was like, oh yeah, it is. And then he tells the other officer, he tells her like, bro, why you guys pull him over for? He drives on GTR. He's not gonna drive drunk. And then I'm like, in my mind, I'm thinking like, yeah, what he said. And granted, I don't really drink that much. So, and I was not drinking at all yesterday. So, the lady was just laughing, and then she's like, oh, where are you going? Blah blah blah. I'm like, oh, I just got off work. Where do you work? All that kind of stuff. And then, as I'm about to leave, the lady officer tells me, oh, just show me your ID and you're good to go. And then the other officer, he was like, I'm gonna let you go, but I gotta take the keys with me. And I was like, oh, we can go around the block if you want. And then the uncle officer, he was like, no, I'm gonna drift him right around this corner. I'm like, oh no, it's all-wheel drive, please don't do that. But I literally offered the officer, like, you want to go take a test drive around the block? We can. He stood there for like 2 seconds. He's like, nah. And then yeah, that was a funny experience. But you know, with all the riff-raff of officers and whatever stuff that you see in the media, you know, there are some cool officers, and you know, we're all human. And you know, just that interaction I thought was pretty cool. I wish I had it on camera, but I don't know why I didn't think about recording that. But yeah, where am I going with this? I don't know. But anyways, I know it's 4th of July weekend. By the time you guys see this video, it's already going to be July 5th, which is Tuesday. So if you guys watch this video, I hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July weekend. And no matter what, just don't drive under the influence. And with that being said, I think today's video is over. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way. And most importantly, stay driven.